pray for you, I'd go and misbehave.
Jungkook BTS gave this gift to fans who attended the pre-record on M Countdown. Today, 15 elements. Jungkook BTS pre-recorded Standing Next to You on M Countdown. It turns out that the BTS matinee prepared special gifts for fans who attended the Standing Next to You pre-record. The gift is a luxury perfume packaged in a green box, like the Shine version of the Golden Album. In the perfume, there is also a mixture of gold flowers. And Jungkook also prepared photo cards for fans. Of course, after seeing the gift, fans who were not present at Nets were jealous and curious about the aroma. In fact, many of them want the perfume to be sold on Weverse so they can buy it. The following is Nets' reaction after seeing the gifts that Jungkook had prepared for fans who attended the M Countdown pre-record.
We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the
Wow, this is really sincere. I think fans will definitely like it, haha. I'm jealous, haha. But what makes me jealous the most is that I can't see Jungkook's appearance with my own eyes. I'm really jealous of this, really curious about his aroma. Isn't this very unfair? They were lucky enough to win, but they also got a gold prize from Jungkook, haha. Crazy, crazy, just sell Bigot, you will get a lot of money. Jungkook is very sensitive to perfume. I'm sure the scent, it really smells like Jungkook type of perfume. I'm jealous, and various other comments.